In this video, we're going to take a look at three different kits from the High Nibble. Is Cromemco emulator, which is a system that expanded on the MSI 8080, added a bunch of functionality, and operating system, etc. We're going to look at the S-132 kit, boards and components for it, and we're going to look at the D+7A I/O board, which the D+7A I/O board was an S-100 board that plugged into the system that gave you analog and digital I/O. So with that said, let's jump in and take a look at the video. So I have another delivery from the High Nibble here. Thought we'd take a look in the box, although I've unboxed a similar machine before. This is the Cromemco variant of his emulator that I'll be putting together here. It's his normal beautiful presentation. Well, a few things gotten jarred loose back down in. So all of the beautiful switches, and they are just gorgeous switches. We've talked about them before. I have a video up that compares these to an original set of C&K switches for an MSI 8080. And the standard bag of parts, resistors, etc., etc. SD card. You know, I think there's been enough unboxing videos, but take a peek in it. It's always just almost worth not building just because the packaging's so pretty on it. What I haven't looked at yet in this are the, if I can get this to come up out, the acrylic panels. I haven't actually seen those live. Of course, the PCB. Just a really nice, well done PCB. Set this aside. And oh, look at that front panel. That is, again, really pretty. Really pretty. I did learn, and on the support forum, the 4 megahertz LED here is different between the MSI and the Cromemco. LED here indicates 4 megahertz or 2 megahertz, and I think there's a different function on the MSI. I don't remember what it is at the moment. And so it creates a difference in the assembly. So if you've assembled one of these or going to assemble one, there's a minor bug in the firmware that when you do the LED test, light all the LEDs up as you get the board assembled, this LED doesn't light up. And it was a long ongoing discussion on the support forum before it was figured out. And if you get to a point where you're assembling your Cromemco kit, and you get to the point where you use the jumper lead to test the LEDs, and this LED doesn't light, the issue is a firmware issue. And I'm sure that Dave will at some point make an update to fix it. Oh, that front panel is just a thing of beauty. If I can, okay, take out the, what? That felt like metal, but it is plastic. Just what I expected. Boy, is that pretty. Oh, got the paper backing still on it. There's the LED alignment guides, the switch alignment guide, the interior plastic. Looks really nice. So I'm not going to do a super detailed assembly video of this, as the process is pretty much the same as the MSI. But it was nice to take a peek in the box and see what we've got here. This is the first official video I'm shooting on the new bench. So I'm in the new shop, posted a video earlier that has a mini tour of the shop back here of the lab. Working to get better lighting. Hopefully I'm not getting a lot of glare here. I'll need to review the video. Just trying to get better lighting, less glare in the videos, a little higher quality video. I've certainly got a lot of light here set up. Oh, just dropped the SD card on the floor. SD card. I'm being joined by my dog. So Anna's here to see us. What are you doing? Huh? She's like, who are you talking to? So, very nice. There's actually a couple more goodies here. So there's an S-132 board. Again, this is a board I've assembled in the past, and this should be the components for it. The ESP32, pin headers, voltage regulator. I am going to document the power jumpers on this since there's ongoing questions on the support forum. And so I will get the jumper settings on this documented a little bit better so people don't struggle. I know somebody's got issues where the regulator got super hot, and so I am going to take care of that. We've got the boards for the joysticks for the what is it, the D+7A I, whatever the board is, emulation, where it's the it's a analog to digital, digital to analog, and I/O board for bits. And of course the parts kit for it are here. I don't remember there being a need for a DB25, but there's one there. That's interesting. The two joysticks are there. What's the DB25 for? It's been quite some time since I assembled mine, and I do mean quite some time. I started the lab move, the move to the new place in August, and it's currently December 2023, so it's been a lot of months since I've been at a bench, let alone had a soldering pencil available to me. Prototyping board. I don't remember for sure. Oh, it's a parallel printer board. Yeah, the DB25 goes on here to drive a parallel printer, which I do have one here, and we will be experimenting with that at some point. So a couple of joystick boards for game playing, and the interface card itself. So very nice, very nice. So, see, nice little presents from the High Nibble. Always fun to get this stuff. Get it assembled, have a Christmas project to play with. Christmas projects are always good. We like Christmas projects here in the lab. Trying to do a better job keeping things framed in video. I'm on a new camera rig here, and like I said, a ton of lighting. I'm still shooting on my new iPhone. I don't have a microphone currently that works with it, so I'm using the phone mic, which is part of why the audio is poor. That will get addressed as I move forward. So anyhow, there was a quick look at 3 different kits from the High Nibble. Hope to see you in a future video. Thanks. Appreciate you watching the video. If you got this far, go give me a like if you think the video warrants it. If you're not a subscriber, I'd appreciate a subscription. And I hope to see you in a future video.